তিনি 15 জুলাই 2022 আগরতলা আইজিএম হসপিটাল হাস্তেনি মন্ত্রী অকরা বরমগনাং ডক্টর মানিক সাহা কোভিড ভ্যাকসিন অমৃত মহোৎসব চেংসাওই রেখা
So COVID is fast growing everywhere, and in Tripura it's not exceptional. So what type of precaution has been taken, and how these boosters will be help the public as well?
Naturally, due to this booster dose or precautionary dose, the immunity would be developed, and I think the person concerned having this vaccination, of course, will be able to cope up with this coronavirus, and I'm sure by the grace, by the blessings of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, we will be able to control the COVID, this third or fourth wave of this COVID, and I'm sure that people will be safe. There won't be any problem, and there should not be any creation of any havoc. I urge upon all the people not to be worried about this COVID.
Sir, one thing is that mask has been mandatory, but we don't find that presence particularly. Are you making a little strict in this system?
That would be done. I have also seen, I have also observed, and in newspaper and reporters, you are also drawing the attention of the government, and I am sure we will look into it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.